Namaste.
Namaste ji.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. It is not just India's Independence Day. Let's pray that we really become free from all the evils of the world, including this corona pandemic. And my sincere prayers for the humanity that let this pandemic be over sooner than later. Sincere prayers. Thank you very much, Darshan, for giving this opportunity. I'm greatly honored to be associated with this circle of legends. And I can see the rigor, the passion, the energy in this group. I feel 20 years younger, to be very honest. And seniority doesn't come just by age or experience. It's basically as, how much you have learned and how much you are willing to really give. That's more important. And I'm very happy that you started on the right note on this, and you have already garnered the support of these so many people over 1 year. Congratulations for completing the first year. We will meet when you do the century also. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वेपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्ति मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्. This is the principle. These are the values, some of the values that I live with. Let everybody be happy. Let nobody be in pain. Now, how do you define happiness? Remove the pain and you will automatically be happy. Now, pain could be in terms of, needs and wants. But let's stay with needs. Today, this young generation, we have this a lot of technology and all. But how do we make the best use of technology? And you said I'm senior. Well, but whatever little experience we have, how much we can give to this young generation. Okay, I look at my family, my children, okay, my colleagues, their families, and I believe my father has taught me that you should be a student throughout your life. So while I'm so happy to have gained so much, whenever I was in problem, I always got support from my family, parents, wife, children, colleagues, seniors, and everyone, literally, no kidding. So it is my turn to give back to the society, to the people whom I can really give a little, not too much. I don't want to boast. So 4 decades of little experience, about 2 decades with Tatas. I retired as program director from TCS. Innovation Center in Nashik. CodeVita, which is one of the global #1 coding competition. I was a program director when I retired. As we speak, it is already going on. 85 countries in the world participating with 2.5 lakh students world over participating in about 8 to 9 languages. Wonderful job being done by the team. And I will always owe to Tata's, the Tata culture, the TCS in particular. Chandra, I learned so many things from Chandra, the Tata chairman, the current chairman. I was blessed to be, selected by him for some of the strategic projects also. And I was also involved in shipbuilding for the frigates, which are built by Mazagon Docks for the Indian Navy. So 15 years there. So I was very lucky to be associated with all these best of the best, I can say. And here is my opportunity to give back. The skills I like is human capital building, learning and development, innovation, project management. When we did about 15 years back, we did this e-governance program for the largest municipal corporation of Asia, that is Mumbai Mahanagarpalika. We coined the Papadilo as our principle, the mantra for successful project management. And we realized that it is not just applicable for IT project management, but just about any project, including your personal life projects or the technology projects or just about non-technology projects. PPDILO, I'll talk about it later. But the first P is all about people. I have heard legends talking before me. Everyone is a big legend, and it completes the circle, and the center of the circle is my dear friend Darshan.
Oh my God, sir, no.
So,
No,
talking
it is,
of this,
nobody is indispensable. I have just tried to drive this up to one point, but anyone from team can chair it at any given time. Yeah,
yeah, so my belief is it is all about people.
correct.
How your effectivity in relating to people is the single most factor for success in any project. That's my firm belief. So when I was involved in talent development, talent management, interviews, etc., you always ask the question, tell me about yourself. So normally people read the CV, and one of the good lessons I learned from was Deepak Ramola, very good
Yes, Deepak
youngster.
Ramola, the very young person
Yeah,
who
yeah.
joined.
17
Yeah.
years young, and I learned so many things from him. You know, so he was interviewing someone. So I'm vice president of company. So what? Tell me about yourself. I mean, very nicely he was saying. So I'm not interested in your CV. I know I have already read your CV. Tell me of who you are. What is your value system? Okay, that is what defines you. That's very important. And these are the things. Okay, I'm maybe 60-year-old, 60 plus, but 17-year-old kid has taught me so many things. So it's all by collaboration. So wonderful. I can talk about project management, and I'm open 24/7. Anyone who has difficulties in project management, process level, project levels, people level, strategy, technology, or any other thing, I will try my best to help connect the dots and try to help this young generation. Once again, thank you very much, Darshan, for this wonderful opportunity. I'm really grateful to you, the Circle of Legends. Congratulations once again for completing 1 year. And Enrique, Beatriz, and Sunny, and Ritesh, and Gurav, and so wonderful. It's a galaxy of people. I'm very happy. Once again, thank you very much. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Sir, it was like music to my ears to listen to
God.
you. I can't stop, listening to you because the experience is coming directly from a person who has done over the years. And we would like to listen to you in a complete one dedicated session, which is due since long. We are
Oye, pero aparece tu
and planning.
nombre.
Sorry?
I will try.
¿Cómo?
Oh, okay. Krupal, can you keep on mute, everyone?
Mm.
Thank you,
Okay.
Bharat.
So thanks a lot, sir.